And this goes across the board. Politicians from the Kenya Kwanza group, politicians from Azimio group, and it's localized there. And each people, you know, with young people there, terrorizing others, disrupting meetings, groupings like those, over a long time, if they fester for a long time, because we have many of those in Busia, in many, many places I don't have time to enumerate. They mutate, then they assume a life of their own. They even overturn their sponsors and become their own institutional arrangements. And that's how countries like Haiti found itself at certain parts of that country under the control of criminals. So we will be very harsh. And here again, there will be nothing political about it.